G'day guys, thanks for watching. Today you're going to see the 3-ton excavator being loaded onto the truck. So this truck can handle 4 tonne of weight. This excavator equates to about 3.3 fully loaded with its buckets and all refilled up. So take a look. So the first thing you want to work on and making sure is that you've got the ramps secured. So let's just watch this a little bit. So as you can see, we've got our bolts here. Ramps, we've got one next.
Yeah.
Watch out, Schultz.
Yeah.
Watch out, sugar. That bolt will go in there, straight in there.
I'll get up here.
Yeah, jump off.
Stay wet, Dad.
Yeah, a bit wet.
Oh, I couldn't swipe on that.
Same thing, get this other bolt in here. So understand that these positions have been measured perfectly for this excavator and my bobcat to go on. So these are dead centre of the tracks. The tracks will line up exactly there on both sides. Okay, so make sure they're looking quite square. This one could probably go this way slightly. And the other really important thing is to make sure you're on relatively level ground. Quite obviously, sometimes you can't get level ground. So worst case scenario, you want to be on the top side of a hill. So you want to have the front of the truck here and then the tray at that end. You really don't want to go the other way because that's going to take the momentum of the machine off the truck that way and make it really, really unsafe. So ideally level or slightly uphill, have the front of the truck here and then your ramps heading to that level ground. So we're just about to jump on it. So what I'm going to watch for is that the ramps line up nice and evenly with this bit here, and then just get it up there. And then I'm actually going to take the bucket up first, let the machine get over the tipping point, and then slew the bucket round and then replace it that way. So check it out. Just going to set you up over here now. As you can see, you're going to get a pretty good look at it, a bit of a side-on view of the excavator going on. So, and quite obviously the blade is going to be at the front of the machine, so that will then hit my tailgate. Okay, Lucy and I are about to put this on. Let's go. Right, Lucy, you ready? Okay. That's pretty much got it, guys. So as you can see, I was nice and centered with the ramps. Got to that tipping point, had the bucket in the right position if it did tip too far, and then just slew it around. So that's how it's done. And now it's really important you take the pins out, never ever lose the pins. Pop the ramps up sideways, close the tailgate at all times, and then just strap over the excavator. So those are the most important things in regards to having the excavator safely loaded onto the truck. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll do plenty more if you'd like to see some more. Any questions, please let me know. Have a good one, guys.